Hello friends, I welcome you once again on this technical tip. I am Mahesh Sanghvi, working as Professor and Head Department of Computer Engineering at SNJB's KB Jain College of Engineering. I would like to explore the wonderful app known as Bubble. You can see that this is one of the bubble. The normal icons are looking like this, and this is what the bubble, where whatever icon you select, that will be in the form of bubble, and you can access it. Whatever you will access more, automatically it will, it will grow that particular icon automatically. Okay, so that is the beauty of this particular bubble, and you can directly open any of the app from this particular bubble. So this way these particular apps are getting open. Okay, how to install this app? So I'll let you know the name of this particular app. The app name is Bubble Cloud Setting. You can see that this is what the name of this particular app. You can download it from Play Store, and once you have downloaded and you have given what the facility for this, then you will get this kind of bubbles. Okay, and now you can add various icons into this. Okay, you will see that this particular pencil mark which is available, you can click on that. You can click on plus. Once you click on plus, you can select the different ways of bubbles that you want. These are this I have selected right now. Okay, this I have selected, but you can select these, this. Okay, up to you, like whatever you can select. Okay, and again, once you have selected this, okay, we can go with what we can add some more icons. So we need to click on what? Plus symbol. Okay, once you click on plus symbol, okay, it will show you various apps. What kind of apps you want? Suppose I want this business calendar into there. Okay, earlier it was not there, and now it is selected, and simply click on what? This button. Okay, which is available here. Okay, once you click on that, done. Okay, and you can see that this particular new app which is available here. So friends, this is what the use of this particular app, and it is really looking wonderful, and you can access it easily. Whatever frequently accessed apps which will be there, that you can always access here. I hope you will enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.